Okay, this is a demonstrational video showing how to remove a banner from a banner stand and then putting in a new one. First of all, what you do is you take the end caps off. The end caps are not interchangeable. There is a right and a left. Inside one of the end caps is going to be the key. You need this to be able to lock the banner into position. If you do not have a key and it's not in the holder, you need to contact signage so we can get you a key. Alright, first of all, it does help to have two people. One person to hold the stand, the other person to pull it out. Pull it all the way out to the end. This is called the leader. The pin goes into the smaller hole right here, and what you do is you just let it go backwards a little bit until that goes in, and it's locked in. Once it's locked in, just pull the Velcro off, keeping your hand down like this so that you don't distort or bend this on the front. Okay, let that roll up. Put that just like that. Now up here at the top, to remove one of these, you take the end caps off, and then this pops apart like that. Once you hear the click, it's open, and then you just pull it back out. And that's how that goes. To put one back in, it is best to put it in face up when you're putting it back in. For taking out, face down, putting back in, face up. Okay? So we're going to kind of flip these things over because I'm just going to put this banner right back in. Okay. So to put the new one in, and you want to be careful because these do slide, so you want to make sure they're good and straight together. Leave this open, and the banner goes in this slot right here. And what it does is it crimps down and locks onto it, if you can kind of see that. Open it all the way up. Kind of hold it up with your thumb. Start your banner in it. Slide it all the way in. Make sure that your distances on the ends are about the same. Kind of just push it in there like that. You start in the middle, you press down in the middle, and you just palm it, working your way out. Twice to make sure you've got it in there good. Now you can put your end caps back in. Like so. Then you return back down here to the stand. And for putting it back in, first you'll have to stand the other way so that the Velcro is facing up like this. Flip the stand upside down. So it gives you a nice chunk right there. It is sometimes easier to take a little bit of masking tape and place it on this just to keep everything nice and straight. And what you do is you just line up your two corners, centering it once again, start it down at this end, and just place it on the Velcro, and you just kind of rub it in. Remove your masking tape. Put the stand back up, and now your key's going to be on this side. I'll let you come around. Keys on this side, you have the other person, you hold the stand, let him pull it a little bit, and the key will slide right out. And then holding the stand, he's going to slide it back in, and he's going to kind of keep this distance the same as you're going back in. Nice and slow. Bringing that back in, returning the key to its spot in the stand. These are magnet mount. Start it at the bottom, bring it back up. Oh, not interchangeable, right and left. And that's how you change out a banner stand.